Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is my second video on Microsoft Word. In the first video we have discussed this option page margin. If you have not watched my first video, I will be mentioning the link in the description box. You can check out that video from that link. So in this video we are going to discuss about this option. In page setup, the option is size. So whenever we have to design our document, the purpose of MS Word is not just only to create the documents. We can also create very interactive things with the help of Microsoft Word. Like you can create your banners, pamphlets, you can make your visiting cards, you can make YouTube thumbnails with the help of Microsoft Word. So each and every document has its different size. It is not that all the documents will be having the same width and height. So before designing the document, it is very important to firstly know that what kind of size we required. Okay, so in this size option we have many size options. Here you can see every document has different width and height. Normally we basically use A4 document. So A4 document has different size. It has width 21 centimeter and height 29.7 centimeter. You can also use this size. As you can see, its size has been changed. So before designing the document, it is very important we firstly look into that the requirement of the size. Otherwise, if you don't focus on the size initially, you create your documents on A4 size and later you get to know that you need another size of the document like this. Then you have to do a lot of changes or lots of adjustment in that later. So if you firstly decide the size of your document and accordingly you put elements or you put your text and images accordingly, later on you don't have to make lot of efforts. So now let me show you. This is my A4 size. It has width 21 centimeter and height 29.7 centimeter. And in the first video we discussed one function, RAND function. It has two parameters. The first parameter will define the number of paragraphs in your document, and 5 determines how many number of lines are going to be there in your one paragraph. So I gave parameter 3, 5. So I have 3 paragraphs and in each paragraph we have 5 lines. Okay, so now let me insert picture. So now let's insert the picture in this document. To insert the picture, we will be going in the insert tab. Inside the insert tab we have one option, picture. So I will be clicking on this option. So one pop-up will come up and you can choose the location of your file. Whatever picture you want to import in this document or whatever picture you want to add in this document, go to the file location of that picture and then click on the picture. And now click on insert. So this picture has been added in the document, but the size of this picture is very large. So I have to reduce the size of the picture. So the one option to reduce the size of picture is you just click here and drag up and drag the picture to the upper position like this. Or if you want to change the size of the picture, we have a one option here, size in the format. As you can see, when I'm clicking on this picture, this new tab is coming up. If I don't click on the picture, this format tabs gets hidden. Okay, so as I'm clicking on this picture, all the functionalities which are related to picture are going to come up in this format tab. So if you want to decrease the width and height of this picture, we can reduce the size using height and width. Okay, so now let's try to adjust the position of the picture. So we have one option here, position, in the format tab. I am clicking on it, and accordingly this is up to you how you want to position or how you want to align your picture in your document. I will be making separate videos for the position of the pictures, but right now you can see that as I am changing the alignment, the picture is getting changed, the picture position is getting changed. So for now I am just using the first one. Okay, so right now what is the size of my document? It is A4. Let's see if I change the size of the document, how the data is going to be present there. Let's suppose I am changing from A4 to A5. As you can see here, the size of A5 is small as compared to size of A4. So I am clicking here. You can see the orientation or the structure of your document, or the way all these text and images are aligned has been changed. Now let's try with different sizes. Let's see, I am using A6. So you can see that the alignments of the text and images has been changed. If you don't like any size which is present here, we can also go to more paper size and we can customize the width and height of the page. Let's suppose I am making here 12. I am making here 12 centimeter, and I am also keeping height 12 centimeter. Now let's click on OK. Fix. So you can see the alignment of text and positions has been changed. So it is very important before designing any document, firstly get to know the size of the document, what is going to be the width and height of the document. If you firstly know it, then you will in the beginning you will be choosing that size, and accordingly you will be placing all the text and positions and text and pictures on the document. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the next video we will be discussing the option orientation in page setup. Thank you so much for watching my video.